Manipur Pradesh Congress Party MPCC said the party is all set to grill the state government in the assembly session, which will commence tomorrow, over its hesitation to answer a series of questions raised by the people in connection with the persisting violence in the state. Speaking to media during a press conference, MPCC President K. Megachandra said his party will raise a series of questions during the assembly session, including the state's failure to take action against 10 Kuki MLAs who are demanding separate administration. The party will also raise questions during private members' resolution with regards to the January 24th incident that took place inside Kangla. In addition, the Congress party will also appeal the House to spare a day to solely discuss the matter of the ongoing crisis, said Megachandra.
This time also I am just appealing to the concerned authority of the government as well as the assembly that it should continue this live telecast, because this discussion is very important, this session is very important in connection with the present violence. So let the people understand what is going on over there in the assembly session when the session is continue. So this live telecast will be very good, so the people will understand very easily. So this is what we are having this press conference, and at the same time we are giving the notice to all the entire people of Manipur that Congress will speak on the present violent issue in the upcoming assembly sessions, which will be held on 28th.